There you go, folks. I wanted to show you the sunset over the silo. Looks pretty awesome. Supposed to be having a nasty storm coming. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. You'll see that right there. That looks wicked. Walk over here. Yeah, just want to show you that. Oh, look pretty awesome. Nice blue sky over there and dark. Must have had some thunderstorms coming, but just thought it was all lit up out here. Oh yeah, I want to show you my petunias. Look how beautiful they are. All the way around, got them flowing down on top, right on the table. They were about half dead. They were Mother's Day gift for Sarah's mother, so they were dying, and ended up putting some plant food in there and blossom builder, and the whole thing just started going crazy. All these new shoots started coming out. So I thought I wanted to show you that. I think they look pretty cool. Some good color to them. Alright, we're gonna end it here. Let's get another look at the sky. I like that right there. I think that's awesome. Looks like a lightning bolt going right down into the silo. That's cool. Right there, it's a lightning bolt into the silo. That's cool right there. Awesome. Alright, just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching, everyone.